Hi. Test driving Peugeot Boxer, which been done before, but the customer had to take his van to the main dealers, and they done. There was a recall, and they reprogrammed the ECU, so they lost the software, and we have just updated the new software, which was flushed by the main dealers. How is your van driving, man?
Hello. Completely different. Obviously, by bringing the van to the main dealer, Peugeot, they flash the ECU. We can see the VIN not coded also on diagnostic. And as you mentioned, last year my van was completely sorted, EGR, DPF, and all the turbo issues and all these kind of power loss issue. After you sorted out this, no issues for at least a year, bringing back the van to main dealer, they give me software update, and my van just give me alerts like I will not be able to drive in the next 1500 miles. So by having these alerts and this issue, I give you a call straight away. You tell me what's happening, and
The job is done.
job is done.
And
Van
you're happy?
errors free. Nothing.
No engine light?
Nothing. No engine light. No nothing.
That's good.
And also with the new software, the
Update.
power
Maintained.
is maintained and is better.
Okay, sir. We are www.supremedpfcleaning.com, located in Westram, Kent. You can reach us on 07-533 636 194 with your DPF, EGR, AdBlue, NOx, power loss, black or white smoke issues. And this is our logo on the wall. Thanks for watching.